Hey beauty babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see on my channel. Also, the links to all my social media sites will be down in the description down below, so make sure y'all go follow me on social media. If you could tell by the title, I am doing a watercolor method, and I am going to show you guys how I do the watercolor method using Adore dye. So yes, stay tuned into this video. Okay guys, so for this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the watercolors. And this person did want this color right here. It's Adore dye. It's really good dye. First what we're going to do is we're going to boil some hot water that I've already boiled because I didn't want to take up so much time boiling hot water. So I did boil some hot water. You don't want it extremely hot, but you want it hot to where it's not going to melt the bucket. And then you're just going to pour it in here. And you need a lot of water. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the Adore dye and we're just gonna dump it all in here. And then I'm just going to continue to pour all these bottles of Adore dye into the bucket and stir it as you go so that there's no lumps of hair color in the water. Okay, so now that we're to the closure part, I know a lot of you are probably worried, like, what if the color stains the lace? It's definitely not gonna stain the lace whatsoever. That's why I love this method, the way of coloring hair, and I did show you guys that it does not stain. Yeah, so it's just safe to put it in the water if you want to. I mean, if not, it's up to you, but it's definitely not gonna stain the lace. Your lace will be perfectly fine, so you can put the whole lace closure inside the water with the hair color. Okay, so after you got all the hair inside the hair color, you can leave this hair in as long as you want to. I believe I left this hair in for about an hour. So then I go in with my Moroccan Argan Oil shampoo and conditioner. I absolutely love this shampoo and conditioner. I use this shampoo and conditioner to wash all my bundles. It smells amazing, and it also leaves my hair really soft and not so brittle. So yeah, I do love this shampoo and conditioner. I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna wash and condition his hair, y'all. Please don't mind my ashy elbows. But yeah, I'm gonna go in here and I'm just gonna wash and condition his hair. I do let my hair air dry overnight. I don't blow dry none of my bundles. So I let this hair air dry overnight, and I did install it on my client, and you're gonna get the outlook at the end of this video. So stay tuned. So remember when I did tell you guys it is super safe to put your whole closure inside the bucket of hair dye? I am going to show you that right now, that this did not stain, the hair dye did not stain the closure whatsoever. It only dyed the hair. So you see now, y'all can trust my judgment because it is safe to put your closure inside the hair dye. This is the best way. I absolutely love this way of hair coloring, especially for me because I dye a lot of hair. And I'll be having so many clients trying to get their hair dyed. And ever since this technique came up, I absolutely love it. It's super fast. You can dye hair under 20 minutes. And yeah, you guys should try it. Okay, so this is the ending look of the results. This was the Adore dye again, Paprika. It is a gingerish, orangish color. It came out exactly how she wanted, so she was definitely satisfied. I hope I helped you guys figure out how to do the watercolor methods. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. If you like my content on my channel, I will have more videos. The links to all my social media sites will be down in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.